So मेरे पीछे है हॉलीवुड साइन और the shadow of the wire showing the time. What is the time?
Yeah, see 6:30.
Close one eye. Can see?
Yes, I can see half.
Do you see half moon?
Wow! The Milky Way galaxy.
From Mars.
This one is from Mars.
Yes. This one from moon.
Einstein and Avish, buddies on Mars.
I bet zero
Zero LBs, 1 LB on Pluto. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharma Family USA vlog. So we are in Los Angeles and today we are going to Griffith Observatory. But अभी हम लोग गए थे ऊपर पार्किंग करने के लिए, बट एक भी पार्किंग स्लॉट फ्री नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड है यहाँ पर। ये स्प्रिंग ब्रेक का टाइम चल रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउडी है, बहुत सारे लोग विजिट कर रहे हैं। अगर आप ऊपर पार्किंग में पार्क करते हैं, अगर आपको फ्री स्लॉट मिल जाता है तो यू हैव टू पे $10 पर आवर। बट अगर आपको वहाँ पर स्लॉट नहीं मिलता तो यहाँ पर अगर आप नीचे आते हैं तो ये है ग्रिफिथ पार्क। यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हैं पार्किंग। यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारा पार्किंग एरिया है और यहाँ से जो बस जाती है वो आपको ऊपर लेकर जाती है और बस के जो चार्जेस हैं वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, आपको कुछ पे नहीं करना है। बस का नाम है डैश बस। आइए हमारे साथ, हम आपको दिखाते हैं हम कैसे जाते हैं।
Observatory bus stop. Dash bus. Wait. Okay, let's go. Full?
No, it's full.
तो अभी जो बस गया है वो फुल था, तो अभी हमें वेट करना है दूसरे बस का। एवरी 20 मिनट्स बस आता है और बस का जो फेयर है वो है 50 सेंट पर पर्सन, इट्स नॉट फ्री। और आपको यहाँ पे जो आप सामने देख रहे हैं ये पार्किंग लॉट है। इस पार्किंग लॉट का नाम है पार्किंग लॉट जी।
Lot F इधर है और G है।
दैट्स द पार्किंग लॉट जी, जहाँ पे हमने कार पार्क की है और हम खड़े हैं क्रॉस द रोड वेटिंग फॉर आवर बस।
Get down.
तो हम लोग आ गए हैं बस से। यहाँ पर ये है ग्रिफिथ ऑब्जर्वेटरी। सो हमने पार्किंग लॉट जी में अपनी कार पार्क की थी और वहाँ से हम बस से आए हैं और वहाँ पर आपका होता है पर पर्सन चार्जेस 50 सेंट और हर 20 मिनट्स में बस आती है जो आपको नीचे से ऊपर लेकर आती है और यहाँ से आता है बहुत ब्यूटीफुल व्यू। सबसे पहले देखिए उधर है हॉलीवुड साइन। दिस इज़ द ऑब्जर्वेटरी। तो अगर आप हॉलीवुड मूवीज़ देखते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा काफ़ी सारी मूवीज़ की शूटिंग यहाँ पर हुई है।
लाला लैंड की।
लाला लैंड लाइक ऑस्कर वेरिंग मूवी है लाला लैंड।
और स्कूल के ट्रिप भी आते हैं ना काफी।
हाँ वो है ना, बच्चे कुछ तो ग्रुप आए हैं। इधर है हॉलीवुड साइन। तो मेरे पीछे है हॉलीवुड साइन और मेरे सामने है ग्रिफिथ ऑब्जर्वेटरी। अगर हम अभी ऊपर जाएंगे तो वहाँ से बहुत ब्यूटीफुल व्यू आने वाला है, आपको पूरा LA का व्यू मिलेगा। और
There's the Hollywood sign.
ऑब्जर्वेटरी मंडे को क्लोज होती है। इट्स ओपन फ्रॉम ट्यूसडे टू संडे। Sundial.
This is the sundial.
Sunlight.
In the sunlight, the shadow of the wire indicate correct watch time on the ring. So it's showing there. What that is? 35?
Time is 6:36.
36? Today is a 6. 6:36. Yeah, right.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, 6:36. Oh.
What 636?
6:36. 6:36.
What 636?
Time.
Time is 6:36. 6:36.
Help of this.
And this is showing number 6.
So this is the
6,
shadow of the
10,
wire.
20, 30, 36.
See the shadow of the wire showing the time. What is the time?
Yeah, see,
The sun is
6:37.
coming from that side and the wire shadow is
6:37.
showing the time.
Yeah, it go all around, right?
You like this sign?
See, using sunlight.
You can see the time.
Solar system at Griffith Observatory, Jupiter, Saturn.
This is the orbit of Mars, orbit of Earth. So this is our sun. So 90 years हो गए हैं इस observatory को. It's built in 1935. 90 years. यहाँ पर है ये line for free telescope.
वो मून दिखाने के लिए आए थे.
Abish, come here. You want to see moon?
Where's Neptune?
Okay, Neptune, go there.
Yes. It's a bit wide.
You can see the moon.
We still want to see.
There, moon is there.
Up
Up there.
in
You want to see in the telescope? Exhibit and the gift shop. Thank you.
Close one eye. Close one eye. Can see?
Yes, I can see half.
Do you see half moon? Nice. What do you have to say? How's it?
Just give me a quick second. I just want to make sure it's silly.
अभी हम लोगों ने देखा मून. आज हाफ मून है और इतना ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा था.
टेलीस्कोप.
और यहाँ पर टेलीस्कोप से आप देख सकते हैं स्टार. एंड यहाँ पर भी मून देख सकते हैं आप.
Yeah. This one.
और ये सब का कोई चार्जेस नहीं है. इट्स ऑल फ्री. एंड दिस इज द राइट साइड एंट्री. सो वी आर गोइंग अप. वी आर गोइंग अप फ्रॉम नॉट फ्रॉम दैट स्टेयर.
Go to the roof
So we are going the right side.
to telescope.
C'est quoi le nom du président déjà? Mais il est.
Let's go that side. We are going to the telescope first. Oh, it's a line.
Oui, ouais.
It's a long line. You want to come back in the later?
यहाँ चल रहा है अविश का फोटो शूट. दिस इज अविश एंड दिस इज द व्यू. LA व्यू. Oh my god.
This is the view. There's the Hollywood sign. Let's go inside now. What do you think? Avish can't wait to go inside. Avish, you ready to go inside? Food drinks ना तो
So इसको 90 years हो गए हैं. 1935 में.
It's from 1935 to 2025, celebrating 90 years. Now our operations Tuesday to Friday, 12 to noon to 10 p.m. Saturday, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday closed. This is the Pendulum.
240 pound partially hollow gunmetal sphere suspended form of
We are parents. Here.
Avish. So this pendant demonstrates the proof that Earth rotates on its axis, and this is the first direct proof that was provided by the physicist.
Who's that?
Day and night. This shows the day and night, right?
Hey, who's it?
See this one. So right now it's day, almost sunset, right? 7:19 is the sunset time, and it's already night. Other part. See, in India it's day now. It's daytime.
Yeah?
Yeah, India is here, right?
Oh, yes, it's daytime and this boat is.
So you see this line? This line demonstrates.
Hey, but the New York is still dark,
Yeah.
but not.
Avish, this line represents the day, and this part, the gray part is the night.
The dark part is the night
Yeah,
and
the
the
part is the night.
white part is the day. Hey,
Yep.
Daddy, we'll do this. Come on. I do this. Which one's right here?
Oh, that's the North Pole. Right?
Yes, that's the secret one.
This South Pole.
Wow. The Milky Way galaxy.
eyes on the radio sky.
This is the Milky Way galaxy.
Microwaves map the early universe.
I'm learning about this universe in my class. That's why I know it.
Wow. See, baby pictures of infrared stellar. It's looking so nice. Abhish, look at the light we see.
I don't know.
The ultraviolet view of young stars. Energetic X-ray wind. Telescope in 1609, astronomer Galilei learned of the telescope.
And it mentioned that magnified the view of distant objects. He wrote wonderful and so many cheers and winds. He used to observe in the sky.
यहाँ पर अभी एंजॉय कर रहा है अबाउट टेलीस्कोप्स, how telescope work, making things look bigger, how telescope. This place is so amazing for kids. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं शो देखने, तो हमने यहाँ
इसका
पर
नाम है Centered in the Universe. So it's gonna represent how we were born. It's about the life.
तो हम लोगों ने टिकट परचेज कर ली है एंड द टिकट प्राइस इज
$10 for adult, and I think $6 for kids.
and Avish is very excited. I don't know where he's gone. Avish, okay. Oh, periodic table. This is the elements. This is what I'm telling you about, that you have to learn the periodic table if you want to know
See
about.
calcium,
This is the periodic table.
medium, potassium. See potassium. You learn about potassium for the plants. Potassium, sodium, potassium, cesium.
You gotta hold it so.
That's right. Platinum.
So that's what was in the Big Bang.
Hydrogen, helium, iron, nickel, copper. Super.
Whoa, it's got almost all the
Stars, people and atoms, formation and distribution. So this is all chemistry.
Oh, it's neon. This is the neon and this is mercury.
I also see the
And we
basketball.
got the tickets for the show.
Hey,
You want to see the show, Avish? Centered in the universe.
Daddy, I think that's the basketball stadium. Because
Which one?
That one.
Did you guys buy the ticket?
Over there.
Oh yeah. This one.
Like where?
यहाँ पर ये लाइन है जो शो हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं और इतनी बड़ी लाइन है और दिस इज द सनसेट व्यू यू कैन सी द हॉलीवुड सो वी आर इनसाइड फॉर द शो
You see the screen on the
दिस इज चेयर्स
अरे हाँ मैं
Are you ready for the show? Yes. It's here, neon.
Planetarium at Griffith Observatory. Before our show begins, one appointee exit may use during the show in case you need to leave. It is the center exit located
1 hour later.
It's a night. Yes, the alley.
शो वॉज सुपर अमेजिंग बट अंदर कैमराज एंड वीडियोग्राफी अलाउ नहीं है तो हम लोग कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए और बहुत ही अमेजिंग शो था. अभी हम लोग एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं
All the exhibits. This is the
रोटेशन ऑफ मून.
So over here it will show full moon, last quarter, new, first quarter.
न्यू मून, वैक्सिंग crescent, फर्स्ट क्वार्टर, वैक्सिंग gibbous, फुल मून, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning
This is the
crescent,
current
new
moon,
moon.
half moon.
Some
See,
people.
today is the exact half moon, April 4th.
You saw it?
You saw it in the
Outside,
telescope,
remember
right?
in the telescope?
Go and see sun and stars back.
Eclipse. Yes, I am here behind you.
Where is Daddy? Yeah, this will be one. So, look, this is like. Oh.
This is about the eclipse.
Oh, yes,
This is amazing.
so moon, and the star, this is sun.
So look, a sunspot is a sunspot right there.
See, there's the Earth orbit and the sun. That the moon is rotating
Hey,
down
the
there.
black spot is the sunspot.
Yeah, there's the sun.
No, the sunspot, the black.
An eclipse of the moon happens when the moon moves into Earth's shadow.
Yeah. Isn't it great, Avish? This is really cool, right?
Yes. Hey, look at that moon. It looks like white or.
Yeah. You see the light on the earth and the moon. That's how you see the moon. So you're going downstairs now.
तो हम लोगों ने शो देख लिया है और शो के बाद अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं डाउनस्टेयर. डाउनस्टेयर में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं ये सब,
All the planets.
the center of gravity and everything. Okay, let's come down. Look at this, all the planets. Someone is very excited. You can see a good view from.
From top, right? Galaxy.
Yeah.
All the planets.
It's amazing. Saturn. Is it Saturn or Neptune? Saturn.
That's my favorite planet.
Neptune. Right, eh? You see?
And the one on the. Oh,
So you can touch
So that melt can
it.
separate into several layers, including the iron.
This is the real?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Found in Namibia. See, 1836 पे.
look at this.
Stony iron meteorite.
Look at this. This is the one.
26 gram. Found in Northwest Africa. 269 pounds.
I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it.
Oh, you can't keep anything.
Yes, right.
The fragment came from 30 tons of meteorites. Asteroids are made of some of the oldest material in the solar system. Stony meteoroid, stony iron meteoroid, iron meteoroid. 395 pound.
Cindy, can you touch a piece of Mars and the moon?
Wait, where's it?
Meteorite from Mars.
This one is from Mars.
Yes. This one from moon.
From the moon, from the Mars. Our closest
Closest neighbor in
neighbor
the
in
space.
space.
Hey, what is this rock?
Piece of
Bought back 842 pounds of rocks. Oh my God.
yeah, na?
Daddy, is it not this rock?
From the moon, real.
From the moon.
Daddy, the upper
Real
one,
rock from the
is the USA one.
See, this is the real rock.
Daddy, Daddy, the upper one, is the USA one.
This is the real rock. See?
We cannot touch the rock.
This is the real one. Real rock. You wait on the moon.
You can weigh.
40 pounds.
40 pounds, yes.
तो यहाँ पर हम चेक कर रहे हैं हमारा वेट क्या होगा मून पर. Einstein and Avish, buddies.
He's not gonna move.
Hello? Albert Einstein?
Statue.
Albert Einstein.
What are you thinking about?
He's a He's one of the smartest person.
Okay, let's check your weight on the planet Mercury. So you can check your weight on
4 lbs.
Only
4.
No, it's like 40. Because 100, right?
Yeah,
It's not like
just
40.
40
it's like
lbs.
30.
World of extreme. Mercury is the
Let's see
closest
how
planet
much
to
I
the
have.
sun. This rocky world gets hotter than an oven
I
and
have
cooler
50
than a
lb.
freezer.
I'm 50 lb.
Yeah, we are on the wrong planet, I think. Building the solar system. This is really amazing. All the planets. अभी हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं मरकरी.
See, Avish, here. Mercury is small.
तो
much smaller
मरकरी
than the Earth and
में
is-
इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है जैसे कि आप एक ओवन के अंदर बैठे हो, और इतना ज़्यादा ठंड होता है जैसे आप फ्रीजर के अंदर बैठे
I am 18. Oh!
You both are there. Let's check Avish weight.
18.
You only 60. 60 pound.
हो. See, this planet is a volcanic. Venus is a place of crushing atmospheric pressure and propelling heat once we cannot visit in person.
Yeah.
इतना गर्म होता है.
So we are on that
Earth.
planetarium projector 1964 to 200. Oh, this was the heart of the Griffith Observatory Planetarium Theatre.
इसी
from
के थ्रू तो वो
1964.
शो दिखा रहे थे ना, जो अंदर हमने शो
पहले ये था उसका ना.
So this is about Earth. This is our Earth. Earth changing surface
Hey, why can't I touch it?
because you are inside it.
Oh?
Now we are on Mars.
I made 0
Zero LBs.
Zero on Mars. You don't have weight on the Mars? Let me see how much I have.
Red planet.
40.
Mars has
Let's see how
Mars
much
has places that look like Earth, yet is very different from our world.
I have only 50 lb.
This is Jupiter is a gas giant.
Oh!
अब इसको weight check करने में जा रहा है.
Avish is checking his weight
On
on
each-
each planet.
You are too heavy on this one, Avis. Jupiter 200. Again? Let me see.
They are checking their weight.
I am 450 pound. Oh no. 450 pound. It's too heavy, right?
Saturn.
Daddy, Saturn. Either.
Particles of ice from complex set of ring that circle, guys.
Mom, you should say I'm waiting Jupiter. 7.
They are checking their weights.
Daddy, move on.
This is Neptune. This is Avish. Now come to Pluto. Avish. Pluto and beyond.
One LB.
You're 1 LB on Pluto.
1 LB. Let's see how much. I'm 2 LB. 2 LB.
Let me check.
Let's check how much LB you are. Mama, also.
half LB.
1.5 or 1.5? 1.5 LB.
If you're 2 LB, then I am half LB. I'm just half.
1.5. Yeah,
1.5 LB.
Pluto. This is funny, right?
But then what if somebody 0 LB?
Milky Way galaxy. Awesome.
Used to.
So this is a gift shop.
It's closed now. Monday, Friday, 9 p.m.
भी है, कैफे भी क्लोज हो गया है, गिफ्ट शॉप भी क्लोज हो गई है. It's almost closing time.
Cafe is open till 8 p.m.
इसी के साथ एंड करते हैं हम अपना ये व्लॉग. अगर आपको हमारे व्लॉग पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. जल्दी ही मिलते हैं आपसे न्यू व्लॉग के साथ. टिल देन बाय बाय. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.